Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up C++ with Visual Studio Code. Alright, so first step is you need to download a code editor. So this is code.visualstudio.com. Make sure it is blue one, not the purple one. And over there, click on download for Windows. Your download should be processing. Do not exit this page because you will be using this for installing a C++ compiler. Once you finish downloading the installer for Visual Studio Code, open that and accept the agreement and click next. Create a desktop icon and click on next and install. Alright, let's install the C++ compiler. So on the left hand side, click on C++ and click on GCC on Windows. Alright, we have this prerequisites page. First step we have completed, that is installing Visual Studio Code. Next is we need to install C or C++ extension. We'll do that later. So first we want to install the MinGW toolchain. Alright, after downloading the installer, click on open. Click on next. Click on finish. This will open MSys2 shell. If you have accidentally closed this, just go on search and look for MSys2. Alright, so what you want to do is go to step 4 and copy that line and paste in MSys2 by clicking right click, hit enter, again hit enter. Now give y. Alright, now we need to check our MinGW installation. So search and look for command prompt. Open that and type gcc hyphen version. Now type g++ hyphen version and last gdb hyphen version. It seems everything is fine. Now click on exit. Now we need to add MinGW path to our environment variables. So search for environment variables. Click on new. Type path. And for variable value, copy the path from website. Paste it to variable value. Click OK. For every pop-up, open VS Code and click on extension button and search for C++. Click on install. After installation, search for code runner. Click on install. After installation, click on exit. Go to editor and open folder. Create a C++ file, that is hello.cpp. I am going to write a basic hello world code. Now let's run this program. Click on gcc.exe. Build is finished successfully. As you can see, hello world is displaying here. Alright, that's all for this video. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to put a comment. I'll see you in next video.